For the first time in Canada, a team of Toronto researchers is preparing to conduct large-scale tests looking for people with COVID-19 antibodies. The test kits are being mailed to thousands of Canadians starting this week. The results could shed light on a range of unanswered questions, including how many Canadians have been infected and how long their immunity to the virus might last. Jeff Semple explains.
I've had flus before, but this one was unique.
Brenda Reiferscheid is a former nurse at this Saskatchewan hospital. She had her flu shot last winter, but back in February, she and several family members got sick.
I had night sweats, I was coughing, I was short of breath, identical symptoms to what COVID has.
Left wondering whether it was indeed COVID-19. And the answer is now within reach.
We hope to get out a few thousand kits this week itself.
This Toronto doctor and his team are preparing a special delivery.
So the kit comes in a package like this.
10,000 of these testing kits to be mailed to randomly selected Canadians to check for COVID-19 antibodies.
You can do this by giving a few drops of blood at home.
This instructional video shows how. A quick finger prick and 5 drops of blood onto this test paper, which is then mailed back to the lab. Samples containing COVID-19 antibodies reveal a past infection.
We'll be able to get really a profile of the virus in Canada, how many people infected, at what ages.
And whether they experienced any symptoms.
That'll give us a feel for how many people were asymptomatic or maybe just had really mild symptoms.
Some countries, such as the US, have been offering these antibody tests for months already. But Canada has taken its time.
A lot of tests are getting emergency use authorization without undergoing the full rigor.
Dr. Vathini Kolasingham says the market has been flooded with more than 200 different tests, many producing questionable results.
An unreliable test is worse than no test result at all.
Her lab is carefully evaluating the different tests, 2 of which have now been approved by Health Canada to be used in the study. The results are expected by early August, and researchers then plan to test the same group again later on to determine if the antibodies last or if COVID-19 can infect again. Donna?
Jeff Semple in Toronto, thanks. The World Health Organization is resuming its clinical trial of hydroxychloroquine as a potential treatment for COVID-19. It was suspended last week to conduct a safety review. The WHO says that review indicates no reason to discontinue the trial. The drug is approved for use in treating arthritis and malaria. There's hope it might be useful as a treatment for COVID-19. The U.S. president says he took it himself, despite potential dangerous side effects and no proof it's effective. Also today, a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine revealed hydroxychloroquine is not effective in preventing COVID-19 in people exposed to the virus, and that it is no better than a placebo.